PostgreSQL 17 can stream changes between databases in real time. Let's set it up the right way in 5 minutes. Hey! Today we're configuring logical replication in Postgres 17. 2 separate databases, an origin on the left, a subscriber on the right. By the end, every insert, update, and delete on the origin shows up on the subscriber automatically, and we'll prove it live. Real setup, real terminals, nothing mocked. Let's start with the prerequisites, because that's where most people get stuck. Prerequisite number 1. The origin, your source database, has to write enough detail into its write-ahead log for replication to work. By default, Postgres uses physical level logging. We need logical. Let's check. We connect to the origin and run, show wall_level. And there it is, logical. If you see replica or minimal instead, edit postgresql.conf, set wall_level to logical, and restart. Here in Docker, we set it at launch with a single flag. Prerequisite number 2. Logical replication needs its own login. We create a role called replace_user with the replication privilege and a password. Then we grant it connect access on the database, usage on the public schema, and select on the tables we want to copy. This principle, least privilege, matters in production. Don't reuse your superuser for replication. Now we declare what to publish. A publication is a named set of tables whose changes we want to stream. We create my_pub for the users and events tables, and we explicitly enable insert, update, and delete. One publication, many tables. That's the origin side done. Over to the subscriber. Here's a detail that trips people up. Logical replication copies data, not structure. The destination tables have to already exist, with matching columns and a primary key, because updates and deletes need a way to identify the row. We created ours ahead of time, empty. Now the subscription. This is the link. We give it a connection string, host, port, database, our replace_user, and the password. We point it at our publication. Create_slot builds the logical replication slot on the origin, and copy_data triggers the initial dump of existing rows. Hit enter. Postgres reaches out, creates the slot, and starts syncing. Give it a moment, then check. We can see the subscription in the catalog, enabled, with its slot name. On the origin, the slot is there and active. And look, the subscriber now has all 3 users and both events. The initial copy worked. Everything that existed on the origin is now here. Now the real test. We insert a new user, update another, and delete an event, all on the origin. 2 seconds later, the subscriber reflects every change. New row appeared. Email updated. Event gone. That's logical replication, working in real time. To monitor it, query pg_stat_subscription for the worker and the latest position. Full script and every command are in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.